Most people desire long and beautiful eyelashes. It is not simple, as some people may have genetically long eyelashes while some have thinner eyelashes. However, there are certain remedies which will help in making the eyelashes grow thicker and fuller. How to use egg whites to get beautiful long eyelashes at home. Vitamin E oil and egg white. How to crack open an egg. Separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Take the egg yolk, add 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil to it. Mix well using a whisk. You should not see the oil mixed with the egg white. Dip a clean mascara wand into the mixture. Apply on your eyelashes. Place the mascara brush at the roots or the base of the eyelashes. Swipe the wand in an upward motion to cover the tips of the eyelashes. Now place the brush on top of the eyelashes and apply another coat of the mixture in a similar way. Let the mixture stay on the eyelashes overnight. Rinse off with a mild cleanser in the morning. Make sure you remove the egg white completely. You can also remove the mixture from the eyelashes using a wet tissue. Do this remedy once every night before going to bed. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thank you.